Students, good morning. Today we will learn about the preparation of aldehyde and ketone from the alkene. Preparation of aldehyde and ketone from the alkene. Aldehydes can be prepared from alkene by the reductive ozonolysis, in which there is no branching at that carbon atom having double bond. I mean to say the alkenes can be converted into aldehydes by the ozonolysis, having no side chain at the carbon atom at the no side chain at the at that carbon atom having double bond. While the ketones also can be prepared when there is side chain at that carbon atom which has double bond. First we have to learn about the formation of aldehyde from the alkene. Aldehydes, alkene, I mean to say alkene, what's the alkene? For example, ethene. You can say ozonolysis of alkene. Ozonolysis of alkene. When any alkene is treated with the ozone in carbon tetrachloride, it forms corresponding ozonoid. Now it undergoes hydrolysis in the presence of zinc to form aldehyde or ketone. It depends on the nature of the alkene, whether alkene has side chain, whether there is side chain present at the alkene or not, aldehyde or ketone. For example, if we take first, that is the ethene, CH2 double bond CH2 reacts with ozone. I think you have heard this lesson, heard this question in the class 11 also. Carbon tetrachloride is a solvent because ethene is dissolved in the carbon tetrachloride. Then ozone gas is passed. CH2. This is ethylene ozonide. This is ethylene ozonide. Now hydrolysis is carried out in the presence of zinc. Hydrolysis is carried out in the presence of zinc. Cleavage takes place at this cleavage of this bond takes place. CH2O, oxygen. It forms two molecules of formaldehyde, and side product is hydrogen peroxide H2O and H2 hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is an oxidizing agent. That is why it can oxidize the formaldehyde. To prevent the oxidation of formaldehyde, zinc has been added. Zinc reacts with the hydrogen peroxide to form final product will be zinc hydroxide. There are two molecules of methanol, or you can say formaldehyde. You can note this reaction, you can take a screenshot of this reaction, then I will explain next reaction. Next is propene. Ozonolysis of propene. Double bond is present at this carbon, first and second. Cleavage of double bond takes place at this position. CH3, CH, CH2, oxygen, this one. Now what will happen? This one and this one. Hydrolysis takes place in the presence of zinc, in presence of zinc. CH3 CSO and CH2O. CH3 CSO. And this one side product will be zinc hydroxide. When propene undergo ozonolysis and hydrolysis, it forms acetaldehyde, formaldehyde. One molecule of acetaldehyde, one molecule of formaldehyde. There are two different aldehydes are obtained when ozonolysis of propene is carried out. That is, I have to explain about the ozonolysis of ethene and ozonolysis of propene. Next example for the preparation of ketone from the ozonolysis of alkene. Now, alkene of this type, this is double bond between this carbon atom and carbon atom has side chain also like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. This side chain 1, 2, 3 and 4. It means 2, 3 dimethyl bute 2ene. Ozonolysis is carried out. Cleavage of the double bond will take place. CH3, CH3, C, yes, 3, CH3 and oxygen. This is ozone will be attached in this way. Now hydrolysis will take place. This one in the presence of zinc. Now hydrolysis will take place in the presence of zinc. What will form CH3, CH3CO and CH3CO? Two molecule of acetone. Two molecule of acetone. And side product will be zinc hydroxide. In this way, two molecules of acetones are obtained. Two molecules of acetone are obtained.